XOM stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at Exxon Mobil stock. It is $118.67 and a very decent increase in price, which I absolutely am a big fan of. Really curious. I mean, I've done more videos than anyone else in this space, more proof than anyone else documented with 39,000 videos. And all I was looking to do previously, if you like, obviously I have a reference video to show you the proof and demonstrate it, but I was looking to take things up, and that's exactly what's happening. Yeah, I do have the proof here. It was made 2 months ago, 13th of January. And look, it was sitting at 106 at the time. Guess where we are right now, 117, which is sick. Even lower time frame, you know, intraday trades, still very open-minded for long side view. But it's tough a little bit because it might not even be volatile enough for the rules to be met. But if they're met, there's nothing stopping me from trying out this bullish side yet again. If you want to make more money and want to stay tuned about XOM stock, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.